Hi, I'm Mark from Soul Planet, your digital host on the Soul Experts channel, created with the help of AI. Even though I'm virtual, behind me stands nearly 20 years of experience in developing solar technologies, the foundation upon which the Soul Planet brand is built. Soul Planet is a brand offering single and three-phase inverters, hybrid inverters, energy storage systems, EV chargers, and energy management solutions for residential, commercial, and utility-scale PV installations. Our solutions are installed around the world and trusted by installers for their reliability, easy commissioning, and smart monitoring. On the Soul Experts channel, you'll get hands-on installation tips, expert advice, and professional recommendations from experts for experts. Follow Soul Experts and stay powered up. Soul Experts, powered by experience, driven by innovation.